Hello to everyone. Good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will discuss about some numerical example related to introduction, partnership of introduction. Okay. Number 15. Saksham, Samarth and Shrey are partners of firm. Their capital on 1st April 2016 was rupees 1 lakhs, 60 lakhs and 40 lakhs respectively. As per partnership deed, first, provision interest on capital at 8% on capital partners of partners. Number 2, 10% interest is chargeable to drawings. Number 3, monthly salary of rupees 600 is payable to Samarth. Number 4, partners would share half profit in equal proportion and remaining half profit they will share in their opening capital. Here, partners are their profit divided in two methods. First one, half profit they are divided according their profit loss ratio, and half remaining profit divide according to opening capital balance. Okay, then there is given some others. On 1st January 2017, Saksham and Shrey have withdrawn rupees 5,000 and 4,000 respectively. Partners have unmercifully decided to transfer 10% of divisible profit to general reserve. Before the recording of above mentioned adjustments, profit of the firm for the year ending on 31st March 2017 was rupees 34,975. This is our profit, net profit, and net profit we write down in our profit loss appropriations account. So friends, in this sum, first we prepare two accounts: profit loss appropriations account for the ending years 31st March 2017 of firm Saksham, Samarth and Shrey. Okay, and then second account is prepare their partners capital account. Here only partners capital account, यानी कि जो partners के साथ हम ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं वो सभी ट्रांजैक्शन हम इसी अकाउंट में लिखेंगे, क्योंकि यह फिक्चुअल कैपिटल अकाउंट है इसीलिए. ओके, so here reading first. Saksham, Samarth and Shrey are partners of firm. Their capital on 1st April 2016 was 1 lakh, 60,000 and 40,000. We note down in our capital account here. First, date 1st April 2016 by balance DD 1 lakh, 60,000 and 40,000. Then what's come? There is given partnership deed. There is first, provide interest on capital 8% on capital of partners. Here how many capitals of partners? So first capital partners is Saksham. Okay, so Saksham's capital here 1 lakhs. And how many our interest? 8%. So there is 8,000 is Saksham's capital interest. Then who's come second? Samarth. And his interest, his capital 60,000 multiplied by 8%. So 4,800 is interest of Samarth, and last one is Shrey. Shrey's capital 40,000 and 8% it means 3,200. This is the capital interest of Saksham. The 4,800 is capital interest of Samarth, and 3,200 यानी कि 3,200 rupees is the capital of interest of Shrey, and we note down in our appropriations account some two interest on capital account, Saksham 8,000, Samarth 4,800, Shrey 3,200, and second effect in our capital account also by interest on capital, we note down there 8,000 in some column, 4,800 in Samarth column, and 3,200 in Shrey's column. Okay, then number 2, 10% interest is chargeable to drawings. Here drawings is downside, so read there. On 1st January 2017, Saksham and Shrey have withdraw. Here only Saksham and Shrey ये दोनों पार्टनर्स ने ही विड्रॉ किया है, कितना? तो 5,000 और 4,000. So we note down here 1st January 2017 two drawings account in Saksham column 5,000 and in Shrey's columns 4,000. Then we chargeable interest 10%. Interest on drawing on interest 10%. So Saksham, how many there is interest? 5,000. And which day? 1st January 2017. यानी जनवरी, फरवरी और मार्च, कितने मंथ का? 3 मंथ्स का उनका ड्राइंग का इंटरेस्ट होगा. ओके, सो हाउ टू काउंट दिस? Saksham's figure 5,000, then 3 months यानी 3 upon 12, then percentage 10 यानी 10 upon 100. So there is 125 is Saksham's drawing interest. Then Shrey's drawing 4,000. Again there is month 3 upon 12 multiplied by 10 upon 100. So its answer 100 rupees. This is the interest of drawing on Shrey's drawings interest. Okay, so we note down in appropriations account credit side by interest on drawings account, Saksham 125 and Shrey 100 rupees. Its total write down in outer column. Then second effect in our partners capital account, debit side to interest on drawings account in Saksham column 125 and in Shrey's column 100 rupees. Then third provision, monthly salary of 600 is payable to Samarth. यानी हमें समर्थ को monthly salary देनी है 600 monthly. So how many months in year? 12 months. So 7,200 यानी 7,200 salaries given Samarth. Okay, so we write down in our appropriations account to salary. If you want, write down in bracket Samarth. Okay, 7,200 and second effect in given in our partners capital account by salaries account in Samarth column 7,200. Then next provisions given their partners would share half profit in equal proportion and remaining half profit they will share in their opening capital proportions. Here first we close our other accounts, but we count here first we close this account. Okay, so 34,970 plus 225, its addition 35,200. Then this 60,000 and 7,200 is cut from this addition. 35,200 minus 60,000. So how many remain? Then minus 7,200. So we have remaining 12,000. 12,000. Then here given first provisions about general reserve. There is 10% of divisible profit. So here minus 10% yani 1,200. This is our general reserve. Okay, so we write down here our general reserve to general reserves account 10% of divisible profit 1,200. Then the remaining profit how many? So 10,800. This profit divide in two parts. First part is profit ratio and second part is capital ratio. Okay, so here given how many parts of profit and how many half. First half profit we divide into profit loss ratio. Okay, our divisible profit 10,800. Okay, then its half yani 5,400. 5,400 is divided into profit loss ratio. Okay, and this 5,000 divided into capital ratio. Okay, so here our profit loss ratio not given there in our textbook. So how to divide this? Equally 1:1:1. Then another here given our capital, but here capital ratio not given. So how to find out this? So we find out according to our first opening balance. So first we find out 1 lakhs raised to 60,000 raised to 40,000. Last four digits cut. Then what is remaining? 10 raised to 6 raised to 4. Then after we divide by 2. So 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 is our capital ratio from according to our opening capital accounts of the partner. Okay, and here not given our profit loss ratio, so we divide in equal 1:1:1. So here Saksham, Samarth and Shrey. So Saksham's 5,400 divided by 3. So 1,800. Here 5,000 also divide by 3. So its answer 1,800. 5,400 divided by 3. So its answer 1,800. Okay, then this proportion divide by like this. Samarth 50, 400 divided by how many? 5/10. Multiply 5/10. So how many is the answer there? 2,700. Then Shrey's same. multiply by 3 upon 10. So its answer 16, 20, then 5,400 multiply by 2 by 10. So its answer 1,080 rupees. So how many profit of this Saksam? So this 1,800 and 2,700, its addition. Then here also 1,800 and 1,620 is addition, and here Shrey's profit 1,800 plus 1,080 rupees. And here we write down like this: partners capital account, this is our divisible profit. Saksams 4,500, Samarth 3,420, and Shrey's 2,880, and its addition write down in outer column. Okay, and this profit write down in our capital account also on credit side by profit and loss appropriations account. 4,500, 3,420, and 2,880 rupees. Then we close this our account of capital. Okay. So first we take Saksam column and its addition 1,12,500. Then here these two figure cut from this, and we take this figure 1,07,375. This is the balance carry forward. Okay. Then Samarth addition from the credit side first, then cut addition of debit side. Okay, here no any figure, so same figure is carry forward. Okay, then then Shrey's credit side's addition is 46,800, and cut from these two figure 4,100, so remaining figure is 41,980 rupees. This is the balance of Shrey's, and those are for carry forward. Okay.